It's definitely important to know what the values are, but it's equally important to feel what they are as well. So, and I'm saying that because for 20 years, I knew what my pepeha was, but I didn't know what my pepeha was. There was no feelings attached to it. We went to my dad's marae one time. He started talking about when he was a little boy and how he used to run through this paddock and to get to school and all the stories that he had in his head, about that whenua. And suddenly that piece of grass in the middle of the nowhere with the no tāseo and the no street lights was the most important piece of grass in the middle of nowhere with no tāseo or street lights in the whole wide world. And I wanted to protect it with my life, It just became super important because now that piece of grass had a story. Or a connection, And that's what I think the E Tū Whānau values have.